Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to record guys Oppo phone sound and vibration setting. So in this video friends I will show you how to enable do not disturb. Guys, how to use do not disturb setting in our Oppo phone guys. You don't know guys how what is do not disturb and guys how to use it in Oppo phone. So don't worry, in this video I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and guys if you like my video, so guys please like the video. So as now, first of all, open your phone setting to enable your do not disturb. Then guys, scroll it. Guys, sound and vibration. Guys, tap here and again scroll. So friends, you can see your do not disturb mode. So friends, you want to enable. So right side you can see this icon, guys. So you can enable from here. And guys, after enable, guys, you want to read guys your do not disturb notification. You can read from here. And guys, you can see this moon icon will on your screen. You can see. And guys, you want to schedule it. So you can see guys this timer. You want to schedule from here. And friends, you can see your do not disturb mode setting. As your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers. So except guys alarm and timer, your phone will not ring and guys your phone will not vibrate. So are you friends, you have understood how to enable do not disturb? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.